Good morning, traders. This is Jake from JakeTheStockGuy.com. I am really glad to be alive this morning, and I hope you take a moment to um, count your blessings. I have a little music in the background going for theta waves. Where's my screen? Oh, here we go. Good morning, guys. So take a moment to just breathe. Nice deep breath in, hold it, and exhale. Just bring everything down, settle, calm down. Trading is so easy, you know? Trading is so easy and fun, and there's no risk. The mind is a very powerful thing. It believes whatever you tell it to be true. I'm going to blow up my charts here for a minute. So I'm on the 10-minute time frame. I'm looking at Square SQ. I like that it came down and tested this. It kind of, you could say, like a double bottom, kind of reverse head and shoulders. I like the 250 strike price right here. Yeah, the 250 strike, this week's expiration, this would be a day trade. And I'm on the 10-minute time frame. So I'm kind of waiting for a little bit of a pullback. We could get a burst at the open. If that happens, oh well. You know, tough tuckers. I'd rather miss a trade than FOMO. FOMO stands for fear of missing out. FOMO into the trade, expecting some sort of a pump right out of the gate, and we don't get it. I'm looking also at Nvidia. Is also a very hot stock this morning. I think it had earnings yesterday. You know, it had a nice little push up to where, you guessed it, scene of the crime, where a lot of overhead resistance was historically at around the 600 strike. I'm sorry, the 600 spot price, not strike price. Not really looking at this trade either. It moves like crazy. When you can catch this trade, the options move wild, let me tell you. Wild. But the 560 strike prices look good on any sort of dip buy opportunity, maybe here to this bottom. Because look, if I draw this out, you can see we go all the way to here. There's a rhyme and a reason to all this stuff, guys. It's all mathematical and probabilities. Pull this up a little bit to like there. See? Quite the wide range, you know. We have range on Nvidia from 540 all the way to 600. But my watch list is GTT. Now these are just day trades, guys. These are just, we're in, we're out, you know, sometimes within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour, 30 minutes. The strike price, it came up here twice to kiss it. Came up here, a little kiss. Back down, this is after hours and this is pre-market. Actually, this may be all after hours. I get, I mean, on the RSI, I see something like that. But you know, that's not always a guarantee. I see some historic areas of turning around right around here on the RSI, on this name. Let me zero it out. So every time the RSI kind of gets to here, we see a little bit of a reversal. But when we have stocks that move sideways throughout the whole day, that really can burn your premiums on weekly expiration options. You need to like get into an option and then sell it with weekly expiration options. There's no holding because look at this pullback all the way to here, right? All the profits gone because you didn't sell. And then some pre-market or after hours trading as well. So on the RSI, they're the best area to get these to buy. Well, you can see here, this was all the way to 20. Then we kept bleeding down. This was like, ooh. But anyway, the point is, I like this area for a buy because the stochastic on the 10-minute time frame is kind of where I like it. Probably get the 250 strike price. I think it has monthly expiration options, actually. I don't know if this has weekly expiration options. Let me see who's... We only got 9 people live this morning pre-market. Where are you guys? Wake up. We got a trade. We got money to make, boys and girls. So, oh yeah, what I was looking at was the options chain. Yeah, March. Wow, it's quite a ways away. Yeah, the 250 strike. We'll see. The move may have been made. Take a look at FSR really quick. Man, you guys we have an amazing group, if you really think about it. Good morning if you're just tuning in. Guys, this is our pre-market stock analysis. Yeah, FSR. Nice push yesterday. Guys, the thing about trading is there's always going to be some stock that made some crazy monster move, okay? Some gap up, monster move that you missed, and it's going to come on your scanner later after the fact, and you're going to say, oh, why? I wish I would have. Don't torture yourself like that. Focus on your strategy, your trading style. Focus on, don't chase. Like, why would you want to chase a stock up here? That's just me. Okay? It works for some people, but for me, I would want to get in, let's say, get into FSR here with weekly expiration options, and I would have sold here. Even if it keeps going, it just, that's when I would actually go on the year to date. But we're talking about weekly expiration options, guys. You don't want to get hurt on these. These will hurt you. These will really hurt you. Weekly expiration options are tough. They're not tough, but they're like lotto trades almost. So swing trades, you have a little bit more time to be right. Weekly expiration options are crazy. It's like instant 20%, instant 100% profits, or instant 100% loss sometimes. So I try to stick with trading stocks that have a tight spread, the bid, the mid, the ask. I want it to be tight because I just want, with weekly expiration options, I want market order fill buy, market order fill sell, whether that's calls or puts. But yeah, Snap looks good. I just don't feel like buying anything out of the gate. I will watch things if I see something that's just like screaming to me opportunity, then I'll buy it. It's got to be a screaming deal. Let's see here. I want to go back to Slack because I want to see. I want to see something. People are messaging in the Slack like about CCIV could come back today. Twitter, something happened to Twitter. I'm not sure what happened to Twitter. Let's take a look. Whoa. What the heck? Oh my gosh. That's awesome. Congratulations to anybody who went long on Twitter. Was not even in my line of sight. Uh, yeah, I like Snap today. Where's my? Oh yeah. AMC BB Square. Yeah. So I like BB, guys, because I've always done really well with BB. I've always made money with this stock. I never had, uh, I never really had a bad experience with BB. One time I did, and it was a shame too because I was like, oh, it's gonna get the squeeze. I was up 100, 200%. Didn't even think about selling one contract. Oh, it's gonna squeeze, like GME, AMC, and I lost my whole position. Oh, it was so frustrating. That was only time I ever lost money on BB. Um, Other than that, I've always had a good time. Yeah, every time I've traded BB, it's been like profitable. Let's see, EXPR. I want to see what this stock is doing on the year to date. Yeah, looks like we could be going to 10 again. When was this? Wow. Could we? Maybe not actually. I think I'm just gonna stay away from some of this stuff. I like Square. I like Square. I like GTT, and I like Square, SQ. Yeah, I like Square. Let me see something on the daily time frame. I like Square actually for a swing trade. Maybe get the maybe get the where do we're in February the 25th, so we're almost at the end of February. So March 21st would be a month out. Could get the March. Yeah, March. Or you could do the April 1st. Let me see something here. Let me get rid of this. I want to look at the March 21st and the April 1st. Oh yeah, I want to get rid of the March 5th as well. Hey, look, you guys, this is how it's done. I hope you learn. I hope you're watching and really learning something here. For those of you who are live with me this morning. So I'm like scrolling through here. Extended hours at 2:40. Yeah, 22 days. It's not quite a month. It's like 3 weeks. Yeah, the 260s, they look good. But so do the 240s. 260. See, so let me see something here. 240. 260. And then the April 1st. Nothing. Yeah, man, I like SQ for a day trade, but also for a swing trade on the year to date on the daily time frame. It could dip a little lower, you know. Maybe you get a starter position today. go out. Kind of like right around there. Yeah, you could get a starter position, the 250 strike, or get the 260. Get the 260. Go out February or March 21st, I think. Oh well, yeah. Then they go to the 5-day. See what the 10-minute time frame is doing. Where's 260? Yeah, I think Square is going to be good because they own Cash App, and Cash App you can buy crypto and stuff on. So I think the company is going to do good. But yeah, it's little high up here for me. I need a little bit of a, at some point I need a low IV entry. QDEL. Yeah, I really like Snap, AMC, and COS. Snap could be another good trade today. Let's see. What is up with COS, by the way? It's it's like almost 180 something percent up. I mean, wow. I mean, just wow. These options must be moving crazy. Like, absolutely crazy. I just want to see what it looks like on the 5-minute time frame. I don't know. I mean, yeah, it looks like it could just burst to 40 at the open. But I mean, 86% up. Let's see something on the year to date. Yeah, it's a short squeezer. It's basically like pump it, dump it. Yeah, it could go a lot higher. Yeah, it could go a lot higher. What's the volume? 7 million. Let me see Snap. I want to see compare some things here. AMC. No, not AMCR. AMC. Wow. AMC is going to be. It might be the move here, guys. And then let me just check VB and GTT. Yeah, it's a million volume. All right, that's all I got for today, guys. Good luck. Let's have a great day in the markets. Nice and relaxing. Easy, fun day with me, your favorite trader, Jake. This is kind of trippy. All right, see you on the charts and see you in the Slack.